Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then click the red colored subscribe button and then press the bell icon to get the latest update of our new videos directly to your inbox. So friends, in this video you will learn how to pay the school fee for SFS School Bahalpur. So to pay the school fee online, at first you have to install the application of the school in your mobile phone. So to install the application, at first you have to open Play Store. This is the Play Store. After opening the Play Store, you just need to type in the search for apps option, which is located top of the screen. Here you need to type here SFS Bahalpur. See, you will get the option, first option SFS Bahalpur Disolite Connect. So at first you need to touch on this option, just tap on it, and now you will get an option here, install button, which is green color. Just tap on the install button and wait for a while till the application is installed in your Android phone. The application is installing. Once the application is installed in your Android phone, it will open. See, now you need to tap on the open button. You will get the screen like this. Now you need to enter the registration number of the student and then password. Now you will get the registration number in the admission receipt or the fee receipt that we have already paid in the school. Now let's enter the registration number. And now we need to enter the default password, which is 12345. After that you need to touch on the sign in button. After sign in, you are able to see the name of the student, and this is the name of the students, and this is the current session. Here you will see and our current date. Now to see the more options, either swipe the screen from left to right, just from left to right, or simply click on the three horizontal bar. This is the three horizontal line which is located top left corner, and then you will able to see the menus. So it is better to just swipe the screen from left to right. Once you swipe the screen from left to right, you will able to see various menus like dashboard. This is the dashboard, profile, attendance, timetable, exam details, payments option, homework, notice, calendar. All the menus are available. Simply just click on the dashboard to check the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Again switch back, swipe the screen. Now click the profile button to check the profile. You can check the exam details or notice. If notice are available, then you can able to see the notice, and then click the back button, which is a backward arrow. This is the back button. Again swipe the screen. You can check the payment also. Now to pay the payment, simply touch the payment button, and then you need to select the checkbox. This is the first computer fee for the first quarter. Simply check the checkbox, and then smart class first quarter fee, which is 300. Just check on it, and then April I want to then you will see the total amount here payable amount is 705. The more you add, the amount will be increased automatically. Now you need to touch on the payable amount. Here just simply touch on it, and then you need to touch on the proceed button. You will see the details here. You need to enter, if you are paying for the first time, simply you need to enter your mobile number here, and you need to replace the office or school email to your own email. Simply you need to enter your own email here. After updating the details, you need to touch on the proceed button, and then you will see the payment options: card, net banking, wallet, UPI. So to pay the payments with your ATM ID or ATM card, or you can buy credit card, simply you just need to tap on the credit card button. These are card option, touch on it, and then you need to select the card option. I already used one card, I just want to add another card. Add another card. Here you need to enter the card number. Your ATM card number you must need to enter here. After that you need to enter the expiry date. And then you need to enter the card holder name. And then you need to enter the CVV number you will get on the back side of the your ATM card. You can select the checkbox remember the card or just uncheck it. If you do not want to add the card again, then simply click on the remember the card option, and then you need to touch on the pay button, which is just below bottom of the screen. Click touch here, and now you need to touch on the continue button. Is the continue button, just touch on continue button. Then you will get an OTP to your mobile number. You just need to enter the OTP, and then again click on the pay button. This is the pay button. See, payment method, your transaction was successful, and the payment amount is, see, account is debited 713. So, and payment mode is online. Simply close this option. See, smart class first quarter is paid, April is paid. You can just simply touch on the option, touch on the small downward arrow, and click the print button, and then you will see the details of the payment transaction details. You can take the screenshot, or if you have, you can take the screenshot for later purpose to print out. So screenshot is taken. Again switch back to the main menu and payment method. If you want to pay again, just simply check the month and then proceed with the similar method. So friends, in this way you can pay the school payment fees of SFS School Bhavalpur. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.